favorite thing about Courtney?
I don't have to do weird things to learn about weird things because she does weird things.
For some reason, she always believes in my love life. I know.
Serious love question.
So far she's been really nice. Through my like 10 minutes ago.
She's a free spirit.
It's off of North and Kensington.
Yeah. She's always positive.
What's your favorite thing about Courtney?
That I can love everyone so much because I have this amazing family that loves me so much. So there's just all this love going around. I love me because they love me, and
That makes me want to sing the Barney song. I love you.
and I can sing a Barney. And this is my family, and they're kind of just as weird. They just don't know it.
Oh, we know it.
Every little thing she does is magic. Everything she do just turn me on.